From coffee shops to construction sites, businesses in Singapore are increasingly turning to robots to cope with a declining workforce. Singapore is heavily reliant on foreign workers, but factors including travel restrictions caused their numbers to fall by over 230,000 between December 2019 and September 2021, according to the Ministry of Manpower. That, the ministry says, has accelerated the adoption of robots like Spot into the workforce. Gammon Construction is using the four-legged robot built by US company Boston Dynamics to scan sections of mud and gravel to check on work progress. General Manager Michael O'Connell says using Spot requires only one human employee as opposed to the two previously needed to do the job manually. He believes robots are here to stay.
So actually replacing the need for manpower on site with autonomous solutions is gaining real traction in the industry.
And it's the same story for Singapore's National Library. It has introduced two shelf-reading robots that can scan labels on 100,000 books. That's 30% of its collection per day. Lee Yi-Fuang is the National Library Board's Assistant Director.
Staff need not read the call numbers one by one on the shelf. And this reduces the routine and labor-intensive aspects of this task, which is not sustainable to cope with the escalating manpower cost.
The city-state has 605 robots installed per 10,000 employees in the manufacturing industry. That's second only to South Korea. Crown Digital's barista robots are used in more than 30 metro stations, making coffee for commuters. The company's CEO, Keith Tan, says they're helping solve the biggest pain point in food and beverage, finding staff, while also creating well-paid positions to help automate the sector.
In fact, we are hiring engineers, software engineers, data scientists, and we're in fact hiring a much more highly paid workforce to automate this industry.
However, not everyone is taken with robot workers.
We always want to have some kind of human touch for everything, and the food is a very important part too. So whenever we order food, we interact with a person